It's incredible. Skyscraper everywhere. It was crazy, and all these tuk-tuks, autos, they have exhaust. Lovely. Hola, gracias. Swadika. We left our GoPro somewhere in this shop. I hope the GoPro is there. All right. A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome back to one more video of Thailand. Right now we are in Pattaya and we are moving out of Pattaya to Bangkok. Eventually we are there, going to hit Bangkok today. We stayed in Pattaya for two nights and 3 days. We had a great time in Pattaya. We went to a few places, very important places. Even we visited Coral Island. In the last video, I hope you have watched all the videos of Pattaya, the Pattaya night market, the Pattaya floating island, the tiger park, everything. If you haven't watched, do watch. It's in the playlist, and I hope you're doing well and you're watching Devson Explorer Global. Okay, and before starting the vlog, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And this video is solely about vlogging in English, and I do have a Manipuri channel where you can watch the whole day video of this Thailand series in that. So far this trip has been great, and we are shooting this video in the month of June, the last week of June. It's been incredible. We were thinking there will be rain, but there's no rain, plenty of sunshine. Whenever you are coming to Broadways, there are few tolls. Okay, so the cab guy won't pay for the toll, so you have to pay for it. Either they will add later with a total, or either they will tell you to pay it right now whenever there's a toll. So we have crossed one toll for which we paid 105 baht, and I think there may be one more toll, but let's see. Bangkok, we are approaching Bangkok, and this is how the Bangkok looks like. So many flyovers everywhere, and we are half an hour away from our hotel, Silom. It's incredible. Skyscraper everywhere. 4:43 in the afternoon, and welcome to Bangkok. Traffic update is we are going very slow, cruising at 20 speed. Right, we have reached the hotel Furama. Let's show them the check-in.
May I ask for both of your passport, please? I saw the room you have already paid.
Yeah, already paid.
We need the deposit for the guarantee 1,000 baht. We will refund the usual amount.
Okay, you'll refund.
Yeah.
So, any receipt for the deposit?
Yes, of course.
You'll give? Okay, here's. Is the receipt? Okay, deposit receipt.
Yes.
Thank you.
1014, 10th floor, the elevator that way. Breakfast second floor, 6 to 10 for the breakfast time. This is our hotel facility, Wi-Fi, room number, and your last name. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Usually, I don't know why they took 1,000 baht for security. We are on the 10th floor. Open it. Put the card. So, alright, this is going to be our room, and we have 2 queen beds. Massive room for next 3 nights here. It's gonna be great, man. Now we are all set to go to MBK market. We will do some shopping. Let's see. We have seen lots of videos about MBK mall, MBK market, but before that we need some cash. We have only 2,000 baht left with us, so we need to take out some cash. It's in. Entrance here. Accept, so they will charge 220 baht. Receipt. Money withdrawal, 10,000 baht. Just next to my hotel. I got 10,000 baht. They charge 220. baht for Bangkok. Traffic is just crazy. 103. Look at the sound. All those tuk tuk. It was crazy, man. All these tuk tuks, autos, they have exhaust. Lovely. Finally, we have reached MBK Center. MBK Center. It's a massive shopping arcade. All. What are these? Fight night. We have eating. Food store. We're climbing up. First floor. Look at that. Let's check out the map. What all things there? Okay. So we are on third floor. Third floor is restaurant, cafes, fashion, beauty, gold, watches, souvenir. Fourth floor is mobile, IT, camera, accessories, bank, dining, and again camera, accessories, restaurant. All right. Finally, we are getting closer. This one? This one? Is this one? Okay, footwear. Yo. Yeah, reach. That one. Superstore. The other side. Super Sports Factory. It's everywhere. Liverpool football. It's all Liverpool. Yeah. Champions League. Ki. All right. Sneaker. Did you get one?
Yeah.
What is that? Raider. Arsenal jersey was that? Arsenal. A plain jersey. Okay. A cruise. All right. Buying this one. Umbro. We left the GoPro. Can I allow him to me purja kare video mein yaar mein. We left our GoPro somewhere in this shop. I hope the GoPro is there. Thank God it's here. Maybe it 2 years ago. Oof, we got it. Alright, so we reached the top floor, the 6th floor. We want to eat some food. Recommended menu. So we bought two stuff. I didn't buy the Umbro shoes. So my wife got Under Armour and I bought one Nike t-shirt. Total cost was 1200 baht. 1300 baht. So now all the shops are closing. It's almost 9:30. So we got one restaurant where we could eat. So we will be eating Thai food. Let's see, rice and pork. We are waiting for that. Now we have exited from the mall. So everyone is rushing around now. I mean, before 10 they're trying to close, so by 10 it will be shut. So you should come to MBK much earlier, because by 9 they start getting ready to shut the store, to shut the center. So be early if you're coming to MBK. This MBK center is in just at the background, and if you see, there are one road, one road, one road, one road. So there are junctions, so roads everywhere, and even metro train running here, and Siam building is there. Sam Pivot building, just crazy, eh? Look at the sound. Now we're getting down. Hope to get a tuk-tuk. Silom Road. Furama. How much?
How much you pay?
100 baht.
Why? 200 okay.
100 baht.
150 huh?
Grab.
150.
Grab. Very expensive. Yeah. 100. Tuk. It's just crazy, the sound, the exhaust. He was trying to, but we bargained. We're gonna give him 100 bucks. Yeah. Tuk. What an experience. The noisiest vehicle in Bangkok. Tuk. Alright, ladies and gents, this is it for this video of Pattaya to Bangkok, and we explored MBK market, MBK center on the first day in Bangkok after Pattaya. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed for whatever reason, just give a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and the next vlog tomorrow we are going to Safari World. Safari World is a very interesting Safari World and Marine World. We will be going there tomorrow. See you for that vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye everyone, and see you in the next vlog. Good night. Now we are going into tiger territory. Tiger? You saw the tiger there? Huh? Where's the tiger? The first show, which is going to be orangutan show, it's at 10:15. It's already 10:11, so we are just on time. Finally, we are seated at dolphin show.